Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Muhammad Aryan Ali and today I will teach you some basic steps about of coding. So for coding HTML, we need a editor that is Visual Studio Code. This is an editor where we will write our code. So I will tell you that how to download this. First open your browser, search VS Code download. After searching this, press this link and according to your system you can download. If your system is Mac, so download from here. If your system is Linux, so download from here. And just like me, if you have a Windows system, so you click here and your downloadation will start automatically. If it didn't start, so press here, so it will then start. But I have downloaded, so I will not download it. So after downloading, you will get the setup, and then you have to then one option will come that of ticks. So you have to check all and then do install. And after installing, you will get this type of code icon editor. So this is a code editor. So for starting, I will make a folder and I will write its name course. After starting it, I will open it. There are 2 or 3 ways to open a folder with this VS Code. First, right click and here is open with code, or with CMD you can do click in this place and write CMD. So it will open, and then you have to write code space dot. Like this, after writing you have to press enter. So like this, your Visual Studio will open in this folder. So like this, your Visual Studio Code will open. Like I will open like this. After opening, look, I came to this page. So before starting, you have to download some extensions. So press here, this place. You will press, and then you have to search about live server. After searching, press this first link. This is the icon. Then here will be install button. You have to click and install it. And other is auto rename tag. When you will search, so press this first link, and this is the icon, and the install option will come. You have to install. I have installed, so that's why here is disabled and uninstall is coming. And we will learn our all this coding from one website, and that website name is W3 School. When you will search this, so click this first link, and then you will get like this page. And here are too many languages. Look, like JavaScript, CSS, HTML, Python, SQL, Java, PHP. All these languages are here. But our goal is to make a website, so we have to focus on these 3 languages: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So first we will start HTML. What is HTML? HTML is a standard markup language for web pages. With HTML you can create your own websites. HTML is easy to learn. You will enjoy it. So we will go to introduction of HTML. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. Meaning, HTML full form is Hypertext Markup Language, and it is used to create a it is used to create a structure of a web page, and HTML consists of series of elements. Now what are elements? I will tell you after some introductions. This is some simple document. You can say it is a structure of a HTML. I will show you like in editor. So to write your code, so you have to come in this area and look here, one file plus is. You have to click here Then you have to put any file name, like I will put index, and then you have to click dot, and then you have to put the name of the language. Like we are now studying the HTML, so I will write HTML. I will write and then I will press enter. I have written here index. You can write anything here, because I have done index because big developers don't write index for practice. So first, for this purpose, to start the code, we will write HTML. We will write, and then we will press enter. Then we have to write a body. After writing body, we have to press enter, and then we have to do our code here. But a simple way is that with writing this whole structure place, we can do one thing, that press shift and 1. So this would be exclamation mark. You will know that opposite exclamation mark is like then you have to press enter, and then automatically whole main structure of this HTML will come. So here is body. We have to write our all content which would have display on the screen or web page, that will be from here. So for example, now we will go to our website, this W3 schools. Look, now what is this thing is start tag, and this is end tag, meaning in which tag there is like this slash, that is end tag, and where is just clear written just name, that is called start tag. This H1 is meaning heading, first heading, big heading, and P meaning paragraph, and BR meaning enter, like second line should come, like you press enter for second line, so we have to write BR for second lines for that way. Now here in my first heading, meaning it's right with H1 meaning big heading, and this is with written by paragraph. So now we will come to HTML elements. HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag, meaning I told you now that start tag and end tag inside the written content, and this end tag and start tag mix and make a element, and this whole HTML is based on only elements. We will write a simple program, like I will write here H1. There are too many, like H1 are H2 and H3 and H4 and H5 and H6. These 6 headings are: first heading, H1 is the largest, H2 is little bit small, and H3 is more smaller, and H4 is from that to more, and H5 and H6 are more smaller. Like I will show, like web site, I will write in this, I will write here to web site, I will write here to website, and website. In all heading I have written website. And now to go on our web browser, we have to right click, and here would be open with live server. We have to pass it. Then our default browser we have put on the settings, that will open, and our all content will look in this browser. Look like this H1 meaning heading 1 is very large, then H2 is some small, H3 is some small, H4 and H5 and then H6 is like this, in line by line it is getting smaller. And like this for a paragraph you will write P tag. In P tag we can write anything. For example, I will write just any text I have written, and like if your code is going from this line out, like it's here, and then scroll is coming down, that your text is going further, so you have to just do one thing, press Alt Z. So like this scroll will go and that text will come down. So like I will open now my browser. So look here, this is a paragraph, and there are too many, like for entering to start second line I will write here BR. I showed you, I will write here BR. So now look, this from here second line is started. If I will not write this BR, so look, it's in one line, and to do comment, meaning that program don't read it, but it make the developer easy to use the editor, like slash and then 2 stars, and in the end too we will write like which. So to comment it, we will write this sign, then we will write these dash, then exclamation mark, again this dash, and then close sign. Then we will write it, and we have to write then here too, and like this we will write, so our code will get comment, but it is very long, so we don't need like this. So we will just press Ctrl and that slash button, so it will automatically get comment, like I am doing comment in just 1 seconds. You can comment like this, and program will not read. For example, I will go to my browser and look here, that's got vanished, but we have written here, but it is not showing here because we have commented, meaning this program is not reading this. Like I will now uncomment all, and to shortcut, like I am moving from here to my this website and this editor, we have to press Alt and Tab. Alt plus Tab will press, so we will reach to one place to another website or web page, you can say. And like if I will open, so your text will not show here properly, you have to first refresh it, and from here you have to save first and you will open, so then it will show there. But there is one option, you can go to file and click auto save, check it, like I have checked. You will check, so your this all content will get automatically saved, and if you are using a computer and light will go suddenly, so don't be worried, because your all content would be saved and that would be automatically saved. So this is the main structure, and we will discuss in next video in detail. So till then, Allah Hafiz.